Today I have a Jain recipe for you guys which is so flavorful that you can not only enjoy it during the 8 days of Paryushan but can also become a staple in your household. So let's see the recipe for Rasawala Muthiyas. Let's start with making the muthiyas first. For that I have 1 cup of cooked rice here. Into this I'm going to add in half a tablespoon of wheat flour, 1.5 tablespoons of gram flour, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing or Asafoetida, half a teaspoon of dry ginger powder, salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients together. Slightly mash the rice while mixing. Shape them into oval muthiyas, not too big in size. In the same way, shape all the muthiyas. If it's sticking to your palms, you can apply a little bit of oil. Let's deep fry these. Fry these till they are golden brown. Let's get these out. The muthiyas are ready and now we need to make the gravy for it. So I have 1.5 cups of warmed curd over here. Make sure you just warm the curd slightly. And now into this, I'm going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of gram flour, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon dry ginger powder, salt to taste, half a cup of warm water. Whisk all these ingredients together. Heat a tablespoon of oil. I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start to splutter, add in 1 dry red chili. Add in the churned curd mixture. Give this a good mix and boil it for at least a good 4 to 5 minutes on low heat. Add in a tablespoon of kasuri methi. After 4 to 5 minutes of boiling, add in the muthiyas. Give it a mix. Cover and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Give this a final stir. The Rasawala Muthiyas are ready. Turn off the flame and it's time to plate. Enjoy these Rasawala Muthiyas with some hot rotis. There are many more Paryushan recipes on the channel, so check the links in the description box below. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.